2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, rear spoiler. Get a fast and easy price quote today.